Welcome back everyone. So this is Kenetchi Arts and I do character designs and illustrations from the famous characters in comics, anime, and cartoons. And if that's your kind of thing, consider subscribing on this channel and being part of it, and together we can grow and improve our artistic skills. And for this video, I will show you one of my daily sketches wherein I will draw certain characters and have fun with it. So for this video, I will draw Umbreon. Yes, Umbreon is one of my favorite Pokemon, not only of its power but its elegant and beautiful design. Okay, so this video will be a preparation for you guys to my upcoming video wherein I will draw Umbreon as a person, as a female being, as a female human being with a fantastic and beautiful design. So stay tuned for that, guys, and other than that, let's proceed to the illustration. Welcome back everyone. So now I'm done with my sketch and I will show it to you guys. Okay, so this is Umbreon and this is just the beginning, guys. This is just the beginning, and in the next video I will turn this Umbreon, this very cool Umbreon, into a female being with a very cool and elegant design. I promise you that, guys. Okay, so that's all in this video, and I hope you're having a great day today, and goodbye.